Hi YouTube, special day, another day for another video. This is 2011, 10, 11, 12, 13 maybe, and this is the Altima 4-cylinder 2.5. I was checking compression, tire, sensor, and there's a popping noise, and this video is about popping noise. So I don't know where it's coming from, but it's on the passenger side, and let's go test drive so you will know exactly where it's coming from. I'm gonna put my camera right here. That's not my target bag, okay? If I go slowly, take off like this, it doesn't make noise, but if I step on the gas, release, see that? And popping noise. So it sounds like it hitting something on the passenger side wall. Let me put right here so you can hear it better. Yeah. So, don't know where coming from. And we'll go find out to see where that's coming from. Even though I start, you can hear it. When the engine vibrate, it knocking. Hear that? So it popping like something that looked like this torch strap was hitting a metal against metal or wall, and that's what vibrated it, hitting something by the wall of like the shock thing. But it's not shock, I'm pretty sure, because it's not something like the shock, because it vibrate this way, then you can hear it. Let's say that you step the gas and release, step on the gas, release, and you can hear it. On the brake, you cannot hear anything, because the brake, when you brake, does not create that kind of vibrate from the motor. It looked like motor was pushing somewhere, and that create the noise hitting the wall or something like that. Okay, but I will jack the cars up and try to lose something and try to find where the it been like this, so it will create mark probably, and that can show some on the side or like a scratching somewhere. Okay, and I will take a look on that. So on this one, when you step the brake, the car leans forward, it does not make no noise. But when you step on the gas and the engine like tilting backward like this, and then they popping the noise. So let's go see what's under the engine. So sounds like coming from this tube right here. Let's crank it up to see if I have any vibrating. Okay, go ahead, crank it. Yeah, noise from here. Okay, shut it off. Do it again. Shut up and do it again. It looks like coming from somewhere here. Okay, do it again. Okay, shut off again. Okay, shut off again. Shut out again. Can't tell where it's coming from. Okay, shut out again. Alright, go to turn it off. I'm going to lose this 2 bolt right here and let it crank to see if that noise go away. Maybe this bolt here, because this bolt here is not even tight. Try to crank it. Now it's loose. Let's see. Aha. Can I do it again? Yeah, no more noise. Could be just this. Can you do it again? Yeah. Okay. I think maybe this bolt right here is not tightening up. So let me tighten this one and try to see if that will solve the problem. Alright, let's crank again to see what's up. No more noise. So the noise is because this too loose, that's all. Maybe somebody was trying to work on this car, maybe got loose by aging, I'm not sure, but it's that knocking right there. So problem solving.